Good morning, student. Today topic is Newton's law of motion. Newton's law of motion. First is introduction. In Newton's describing third, there are described three law of motion. Three of motion. Introduction is Newton's describe Newton's describe Newton's describe Newton describe three law of motion. First of all, we are discussing about uh, starting starting law of motion. First scientist is Astro. First scientist is Astro. Astro's Felsi. This Felsi. Aristo said that if n if an body if an object is motion, it means some force is applying at an object. What after some years, Galileo said that Galileo said that if an object is in motion, it means object object if an object is in motion with constant velocity, it means there are no force applying on an object. There are not force applying on object on an object. And Galileo proof experimental proof Galileo experiments. Yes. First is meant. It was observed when a ball is rolled down on an inclined frictionless plane. Frictionless plane. Its speed increase whereas if it rolled up an inclined frictionless plane. Frictionless plane. Its speed decrease. Its speed decreased. If it is rolled on horizontal frictionless plane, the result must be must be between in the cases described above is that the speed should remain constant. It it can explain as it can explain as suppose this one is frictionless inclined plane. Ball is placed is that position. Ball rolled up in frictionless inclined plane when its velocity that position v. Suppose that ball is rolled down, then its velocity, its position is v dash. It means velocity is increase v dash, velocity increase v dash. V dash velocity is greater than v. And second time inclined ball is this one. Ball is placed in this position, in that position. Ball, yeah, in that position. Provide the velocity v and rolled up inclined frictionless plane and ball reach in that position that when its velocity is v dash. We observe the initial velocity v and final velocity v dash is v is greater than v dash. V is greater than v dash or v dash is less than v. Suppose we are considered as horizontal frictionless plane. Ball is placed in that position. Initial velocity v is rolled in frictionless horizontal plane when its velocity, and after some time we observe its velocity v dash in this place. Then we observe that initial velocity v and final velocity v dash is equal, means constant. V dash velocity is equal to the v, yeah, or v velocity is equal to the v dash. This is first experiment of Galileo, and second experiment 2. When a ball is realized on inner surface of a smooth hemisphere, when a ball is released on the inner surface of a smooth hemisphere, it will move to the other side and reach the same height. Before coming to rest momentarily, if the hemisphere is replaced by a raised by a surface in order to reach the the same height same height. The wall will have to move a large distance. Figure is figure so below. If suppose that first statement says that when a wall is realized inner surface, suppose that this is a inner surface, wall is placed in that position, in that height. Suppose that ball is realized in this position, ball is placed is this height is h. When ball is realized in that position, the wall is travel is this surface and reach the same height, and after some time we rest on in that position. So it means we Galileo so that observe that wall wall reaches that height, wall is realizes that height and wall move this path, and when is not rest जब तक same height are not covered. And second figure first and second figure is that height is height is ball is placed is that position and height is h. Ball is realizes that position and ball follow this surface and reach the same height. And Galileo observed that volleys are not rest when wall reach the same height. And second figure, wall are not rest is reach on same height when जबकि wall distance are more for comparison to figure first and second and third is if other side is made horizontal, other side second side are made in horizontal, the wall will never stop because अगर the other side second side is considered as a horizontal, made horizontal, then wall will never be stopped because it will never be able to reach the same height. It means its speed will not decrease, it will have uniform velocity on horizontal surface because it will never be able to reach the same height. It means its speed will not decrease. It will have uniform velocity on the horizontal surface, horizontal surface. Thus, if unbalanced force do not act on a body, if unbalanced force do not act on a body, the body will either remain at rest or will move with a uniform velocity, will remain unaccelerated. Figure is that, suppose that the other side is horizontal. Other side is horizontal. Ball is placed in that position. This height is h. This height is h. When a ball is realized in that position, a ball will never be stopped. Because it will never be able to reach the same height. It means its velocity will not decrease. It will have uniform velocity. On horizontal surface. Suppose that this position velocity v, and after some time observe that this place is also velocity v. It means is not decrease the velocity. It will have uniform velocity in horizontal surface because it will never able to reach the same height. It will remain unaccelerated. It will have uniform velocity in horizontal surface. This is second experiments Galileo's. ठीक है. After some time, Galileo's not describe law of motion. After some time, Newton's observed this experiment, and Newton conclude the idea suggest why Galileo and was formulated later in the laws by Newton. Next day we will discuss about Newton's law of motion, inertia, and also describe inertia. And thank you. Today is lecture is finished. Thank you all of you. Thank you, student. Myself is Nirmesh Pratap Singh Bhadauria. Thank you.